Hello students, last time we have seen what is PHP and why do we use PHP. Today we are going to study different features of PHP. Now the features of PHP and why do we use PHP are correlated. Let's take for example that we are going to buy a washing machine. So we ask the person what are the different features of that washing machine. Those features are the reasons why we are buying. Okay, so the reasons why we are using and the features are correlated. Here also in features you will find same points will be coming again. Okay, so let's start. Features of PHP. The first one is simple. The PHP language, it is simple and it is fast. Compared to another scripting language, this is very easy to learn and very simply put. And also, this language is faster than any other server-side scripting language. Next one. Next, PHP is interpreted language. Now, by interpretation, we mean that when we are writing a PHP code, one statement is taken, it is converted. Like let's take for example that I don't know German and there is a code which is written in German. So for converting that code, I will need a third person who knows German and English. So if the person is communicating in German, then the interpreter, that is the person in between, is going to translate it for me. Then I will understand. And this is going to happen one sentence at a time. Similarly, the PHP language is not understood by the computer. In between, there is an interpreter. Interpreter is going to convert one statement at a time to machine language and give it to the system for working. Okay, so this is what we mean by interpreted language. And it is not a compile time language. Next one, case sensitive. Now in PHP, if I am declaring a variable as small a, then small a variable is going to be used as small a throughout the program. If in case I write capital A, then it is going to be a different variable. Okay. However, in PHP, the keywords like if, else, while, for, they are not case sensitive. You can write them in uppercase or in lowercase. It is the same. Next, open source. PHP is an open source software. It is freely available. We can just visit the website and we can download. We do not have to pay anything for obtaining this software. Next, platform independent. PHP is platform independent. It means it can run on Unix, Linux, Mac, Windows, any operating system. There is no problem in executing PHP programs on any operating system. Next one, real-time access monitoring. Now, when we are using PHP, at that time, PHP is going to create a separate file where it is going to store which user has logged in at what time, which are the websites which the user is using, which are the pages which were clicked. So all this information is recorded by PHP. Okay. So PHP provides access login by creating a summary of all the access when the users are logging in, and it is keeping it safe for itself so that they can use it further future. Next, error reporting. PHP has special predefined error reporting constant to create a warning or a notice. So if there is any problem, PHP is going to show a dialog box or some kind of a message that this particular thing is not working properly. This is an error, rectify it. Next, loosely typed language. Now PHP supports variable usage without declaring the data type. So if I declare a variable without just telling its type, I say I have a variable with name A. Now this variable A, it can be used as string or it can be used as a number, depending on the program. Okay. So this is what it means by without declaring a data type. It can be taken based on the execution, the data type that you are providing. Since the data types are not set, then we can add two strings with one integer also. So this can happen in PHP. So it is a loosely typed language where where variables do not have a specific data type, and these data types can be used interrelatively. Okay. So these are the different features of PHP. If this question is asked, it will be asked for 2 marks. So you have to write 4 points out of these. Okay. Thank you.